Welcome back to another Vlogtober episode, cuties. This video is going to be mainly voiceovers and some anecdotes from when I was eating these things. Everything I ate in a weekend as a 26-year-old boutique owner. Starting off strong, this is Friday's lunch. My boyfriend got the honey baked ham at work, so he didn't eat it and he brought it to me.
I just made these, I tried to make them like the Dutch Bros waffle. I couldn't find a recipe for it, so I kind of made my own thing. They are a funnel cake waffle. I just used waffle mix because you know that's pretty much what a funnel cake is, and put some powdered sugar on top. I haven't had it yet, but I made one for my boyfriend and he said they were really good. So this is mine. He wanted his in the actual waffle shape, but I wanted mine in this waffle shape. I think it's like, what is it called? Belgian? Like a Belgian waffle shape. This is what it looks like. Can't wait to try it, and I will let you know how it tastes.
For dinner, we ended up getting Wingstop. Wingstop is like a tradition for us on Fridays. This time we got the 10-piece. I got Louisiana rub and lemon pepper with a regular fry, and for the drink I'm drinking this root beer that I got from just the local gas station. I haven't had a root beer in a while, so I wanted to be different and have one. Comment down below your Wingstop order. I'd love to try something new, and I want to know what you get. Saturday morning, they wanted Dutch Bros, so we went to Dutch Bros. We of course got our waffles, and we also I got an electric berry lemonade and he got a green tea lemonade. These waffles, ever since he told me to go and try them, I have not been able to get them out of my head. I need to figure out the recipe, and I need to figure out the recipe ASAP. So if you're a broista, which means you work at Dutch Bros and you know the recipe, comment down below the recipe. So I want to make those viral sheet pan nachos that everybody's been making on TikTok. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to put the video here.
I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood.
We're gonna go to probably Kroger's or Publix, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. We're gonna go shopping and get the groceries that we need for it, because of course we don't have it. I don't really cook often, but I'm going to cook tonight. So let's go and get what we need to make the viral sheet pan nachos. I guess we're taking the Cadillac to the grocery store. Let's go.
I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood.
Just got back to the house from the grocery store, and here's a haul of everything that I got. It's not a lot, but it's something for today and tomorrow. Got this loaf of Texas toast. This is for breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna do French toast, and then what's left is gonna be for hamburgers for our lunch tomorrow. Also picked up a pack of ground beef. I'm not really specific on my ground beef, so I just grabbed whichever one. We're gonna split half of this into our nachos tonight, and then the other half is gonna be for our hamburgers. We're probably gonna do like one burger each. Also got the party size nacho cheese Doritos. These will be the chips for our nachos. I got one pack of taco seasoning. This is the original. I already had this pack of hot and spicy, so I'm gonna use this and this in my taco. Some people might say that's overkill, but that's just what I'm used to using, and I'm not gonna stop using that today. 1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes. This little pack of Velveeta cheese. Mexican style shredded cheese. And a little container of Daisy sour cream. All of these items came out to $44.11. He said that he's ready to eat now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking the hamburger meat. I'm gonna do it in the cast iron skillet. I went ahead and patted out our burgers for our lunch tomorrow. So I'm going to wrap those up. I'm just going to put them in the top of the refrigerator because it's really cold at the top. So they should be okay until tomorrow. Our meat for our nachos cooking. Since it's just the two of us, I didn't go too outrageous. But this is what we're working with. I'm just browning the meat first. After that finishes browning, I'm going to drain the oil and then put the seasoning in and let that simmer some more. I added the seasoning packs and I'm letting that cook into the meat for about, I'd say about 10 minutes. Not even, maybe 7 minutes. And then we're gonna start layering it. These were a 10 out of 10. The only thing that I would probably do different is put the chips on a bigger cookie sheet instead of the same size cookie sheet. They were good. I don't like all of them jalapenos and stuff on it. So we just added a dollop of whipped cream and we went on about our day. Later in the evening, we got a craving for some fries while we were out on our nighttime cruise. So we stopped at Chick-fil-A. We ordered 2 large fries and 2 large Sunjoy as we continued our circle drive around Nashville. I forgot to record what I ate for breakfast this morning. I made more waffles and I made bacon to go with the waffles. So I'm not gonna show y'all again. Sorry, I forgot. After breakfast, we went and got our steps in. We took our dog to the park and we just walked around a little bit. Try to take some time out of our week, at least once a week, to take him to the park. I forgot to record our lunch, but I didn't make the burgers for lunch. We ended up having them for dinner. For lunch, we stopped at Wendy's and we just got us both a 10-piece nugget. It wasn't nothing really exciting anyways. But this is what we had for dinner. We had cheeseburgers with bacon and some crinkly fries. This is what I made for dinner. I made smash burgers with cheese. I have ketchup, mustard, bacon, and then we have some crinkle fries with some seasoning salt on it. And I also toasted the Texas toast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd love to see. I have a few more videos planned for Vlogtober, but I don't have many ideas, and we're coming up on day 20, and I want to do something kind of big for day 20. I do have some tutorial videos in the work for you guys, so you guys can count on that. If there's something that you've seen me eat in this video and you have a question about it, feel free to ask. I read all of my comments and I like and try to respond to every comment that I get. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me even if she could. Gave out plenty spankers.